Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the issue with Roblox. Whenever you launch the game, you got the error. Your version of Roblox may be out of date. Please update Roblox and try again with the error code 280. Let's fix it guys. You just need to right click on the start icon and select run. In run window, you just need to type inetcpl.cpl. Click on OK. Click on Advanced tab and select Restore Advanced Settings. Select Apply and OK for save changes. Now try to launch the game. If this failed to work, then let's move on to the second solution guys. You just need to open up browser and navigate to the roblox.com website and log into your Roblox account and then click on any game over here. Then click on this play option and now click on open Roblox game client. Click on it. This will open Roblox and will automatically update the game for you guys. After doing this, you just need to check if the problem solved or not. If this solution failed to work, then let's move on to the third solution guys. You just need to go to search menu and type cmd. You just need to right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator. Select yes. Here you need to paste a path guys. To get the path, you just need to right click on the start icon and select run. In run window, you just need to type a percentage local app data percentage again. Click on OK, open up. You just need to copy this file path over here. After copying it, just type in cmd cd space, then paste the path. Now you just need to press enter key. Now you just need to type here rmdir space slash yes space Roblox. Now hit the enter key. Now press in keyboard Y and press enter. This will remove Roblox from your system guys. Now close it off here. Now you just need to open up browser and you just need to search for Roblox download. Click on the official Roblox website and click on the download option and download it. After getting download done, you just need to install the game guys. After installing Roblox, you just need to open up browser and navigate to the roblox.com website and click on any game over here. And now click on play option over here and select to open Roblox game client, and this will automatically update and fix the issue of your Roblox version may be out of date. Please update Roblox and try again with the error code 280. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.